Hey, what's going on, guys? It's Jordan here, and I'm back with another video today. The Supreme Fall/Winter 2019 lookbook and preview just dropped today, this morning, at like 7, I think it was. So I went through the whole thing last season, Spring/Summer 2019. I did a reaction to it. This season, I just quickly looked through, well, not really quickly, I went through everything, picked out some of my favorite stuff, and I'm going to be making a list for the top 25 items from the Fall/Winter 2019 lookbook. Now, I'm not going to be doing a lot of talking in the video, just as the beginning and then a little bit at the ending. And in the whole middle will just be that, just showing them off my top 25. It'll just be a lot easier to do and to edit, and it won't be long as a video, so you guys can go and enjoy the rest of your Monday. But anyway, here is my top 25. Hope you guys all enjoy.
Extra flame.
Hypnotize me with that motion, girl. You might even provoke me to spin all I've got. I can get it back real quick, give you an experience like you never had before. Dream catcher, we like it. How you get so fine? How you make it go night? I can make you go night. You be down for whatever when I pull it up. I don't measure. Say you love me forever. All of a sudden, make this bitch jump like a step team. See my diamonds, can you say wet dream? First, let me close the bamboo blinds. She don't say my name, but she does scream it. Dancing in the strobe lights. Put your eyes on me. I don't need to know your sign. Do you see something you like? Dancing in the strobe lights. Put your eyes on me. I don't need to know your sign. Do you see something you like? I know what you into. I know what you into. I know what you into.
Anyway, guys, I hope you guys all enjoyed this video and enjoyed my top 25. Let me know down in the comments below what was your top 3 from this season and what you think about my list. Hope you guys all enjoyed. Make sure to go ahead and hit the like button, subscribe if you aren't already. Comment down below what I just said. Check out my Instagram, Twitter, and Snapchat. Everything will be in the description below, and I will see you guys all in my next video. That's it. Peace.